nosing in a little bit, balancing a bit. So I did it. You ought to pick up your speed. I'm going to cite you for obstructing traffic if you don't pick up that speed. Come on, turn quickly. Get on that tower. Don't be coasting through my exercises. I want power all the time. Turn that head quick. Keep on that throttle.